People have a lot of questions about eggs. Some of them you may already have those answers to them, but just in case you didn't, or you just need a refresher, here's some common egg questions we hear and a few answers to those. It's recommended that when you take an egg out of the coop, you only keep it inside for maybe 2 weeks. I like to get mine cleaned up and put in a carton and in the refrigerator within a couple days. So dirt on an egg is the main concern, and temperature. An egg that sits above 90 degrees for any amount of time is more likely to start to develop if it's fertilized. Also, a fertilized egg is totally safe to eat. You crack open one of these eggs and you see a little bubble on the yolk, good chance it's fertilized. It's not going to develop into a baby chicken unless it's in a really perfect situation. Even if it's above 90 for a while, it could start to develop, but you're not going to have little chickens hopping out of an egg carton in your refrigerator. Another question I get is about the color of the egg. So this one is green. So this is an Araucana. Some people call them Easter eggs. This one is white. This is from a Leghorn, most popularly known chicken, Foghorn Leghorn. Lockenfelders also lay white eggs. They're a small bantam chicken. They're really, really neat chicken. But this one's from a Leghorn. This is brown. It's probably a Rhode Island red. So there's lots of different colors of eggs. They taste the same. They just have different pigmentations. Real often with the egg, you can look at the ear of the chicken and you'll see the color of the ear on the chicken, and that's going to match the color of the egg. So now here we got a little bit of a dirty guy, okay? This is dirty. This needs to be cleaned right away. You probably can't see what I'm doing here, but I'm getting all this dirt off. There could be some feces on it. That's what you absolutely do not want. I just use some damp paper towel. If you really have a messy egg, you can use a brush, but I just use a damp paper towel. I always clean over the sink, maybe over the trash, somewhere that you can bleach, clean up later. I know recently in the news you've seen that you're not supposed to hug your chickens because you could get salmonella. A lot of Americans have chickens today. Don't blame you. I think we should all grow our own food. But you don't hug your chickens. You also really, really don't want to eat an egg that's not fully cooked. Have an egg that has feces on it. An eggshell is super porous. Anything that's on the outside of that egg is very easily can get into the inside of the egg. You don't want to eat that. I'm often asked, how come when I get grocery store eggs, the yolk is a really light yellow, but the yolk of your farm fresh eggs are really dark orange? And that's just the pigmentation of the food. So our chickens have lots of room to run around. They have access to greens, plants, worms, bugs. Chickens eat bugs. So they're not just eating commercial feed. And so there's pigmentation in all those wonderful little things they're finding outside in the yard to eat. And that makes a really rich orange yolk. Once these are cleaned up, again, just put them in the refrigerator. They're good in there for 3 months. You never know, an egg could have somehow got hidden somewhere for a while. Maybe it got above 90 degrees. It doesn't hurt to crack it in a little bowl before you make your omelet or dump it in your cake mix that's already halfway started, and make sure it's okay. If you see a blood spot in the egg, again, that just means there was a bit of a strain in laying the egg. Perfectly safe to eat. If you don't like how it looks, you can get a fork or spoon and remove it. Sometimes, especially with young hens, you will get a double yolker. And pretty sure this is a double yolker. This is average size egg, and this is not. So we're going to crack it open, see what we got. Drum roll. There it is. Double yolker. That had to hurt. We're all done cleaning our eggs. We do use paper towel to clean our eggs. But we also compost them. As long as there's no chemicals on paper towel, it can absolutely be composted, and so can eggshells. That's baby food for future plants.